So right now, by default, what you see right here is the day view right here. So if I were to go around onto any particular day, let me just go ahead and create a sample task right here, just like this right here, and click on create task. And you can see that this is what you have. You got the daily view right here. But if you want to see multi-day view and view more tasks, let's say, for example, in a week or a month, then you can go for multi-day right here. And here you can see there's the multi-day view right here, and you can see the multi-day view for 30 right here, for 29, 31, and so forth. So you got a 4-day view right here. Similarly, if you were to click week right here, then you get a 7-day view, and you see the first day of what you have right here on the first, and then last day right here, and you can see everything right here, and you can actually go ahead and access out the task as you want right there. If I were to go around onto month view, then you can see the entire month, and you can see that we have our day right here, just like this, and you see all the task icons right here, and you can go ahead and click and then access them individually as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize multi-day view as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.